Nah, nobody gonna survive this tornado. It went up to 550 a couple of minutes ago. Oh, what? Like, in the pond, there's literally looks like they're literally... Oh, it's in the pond? Oh! 307... Oh, wait. No way anybody is surviving this. Oh, it went up to 400. No way anybody is surviving. Lily? No. Sorry, that wasn't my dog. F-U-C-K. That's what my probe says. Let's stop intercepting this. Bruh. Why did I have to buy Dominator 2 and Twist X and Tornado Panther? I meant Tornado Puncher. It's going to turn nocturnal. Nocturnal hell. Nocturnal hell. Nocturnal hell. Nocturnal hell. Nocturnal hell. Nocturnal hell. Shoot. Oh, this. Oh, shoot. No. Well, that's a bummer.